What's up, guys? Today we're doing something insane. We're settling the ultimate pet debate, dogs or cats. Did you know that dogs have about 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses, while humans only have about 6 million? That's crazy. And cats can make over 100 different sounds, while dogs can only make about 10. Now that's wild. So, which team are you on? Team dog or team cat? Comment below and let's see which pet reigns supreme. If this video hits 1 million likes, I'll adopt 100 dogs and 100 cats.